Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the Indian flag pattern on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. To get the Indian flag pattern on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube, you need to follow a mix of uppercase and lowercase algorithms. So for those who are not familiar with the algorithms on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube, I have already made a video on the same and I linked that video in the description below. You can go ahead and watch that video as well. So let's get started. The positioning of the cube is the same way as how we did the 3x3. So we'll have the blue layer facing us in front, white at the top, orange on the right side, and the algorithm goes like this. We do a U, D prime 2, L, small u prime, small d, L prime, small u, small d prime, we move to the right side, R prime, small u, small d prime, R, small u prime, and small d. So we got the Indian flag pattern on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Now to get this back to the solved state, you need to repeat the same algorithm in reverse. So it goes like this: small d prime, small u, R prime, small d, small u prime, R. I'll go to the left side. Small d, small u prime, L, small d prime, small u, L prime. Now D2, 1 and 2, and U prime. That's it. Hope you like this video.